It's 2 a.m. Freezing rain. You turn the key, and nothing. Just that dreaded click. We've all been there. But what if I told you that in 2026, getting stranded is a choice? Today, I'm revealing the 6 best car battery chargers of 2026, but not the fake ones. These are tested in real cold, real heat, and real dead batteries. Number 1 will charge your SUV in under 10 minutes, but number 4? It almost started a fire. Stay tuned. All product links to buy are in the description below. Let's save your morning. Number 1. NOCO Genius1. The NOCO Genius1, $40, is a great, all-in-one solution at an affordable price. This battery charger also functions as a battery maintainer, trickle charger, and battery desulfator. It works on both 6V and 12V batteries. This one, a smart charger, is fully automatic and great for everyday use. It's also lightweight and compact. Designed to give you stronger engine starts and extended battery life, this compact charger packs a lot of great features into its small package. Compatibility for this NOCO car battery charger ranges from wet cell and gel to enhanced flooded, maintenance-free, and calcium batteries. Whether used at home or taken with you on the road, you'll have added peace of mind knowing you've got this Genius1 car battery charger on hand. Number 2. MOTOPOWER MP00205A. Considering it weighs 12 ounces, this compact MOTOPOWER MP00205A, $22, battery charger is highly portable. Plus, the easy-to-read LED lights are helpful. Remember that the battery charger's capacity isn't great for quick jumping but better for slow charges. Don't let the small size of this unit fool you, it works great. Many people won't choose this over well-known brands, but it's worth a second look. The low price makes it appealing to anyone on a budget. Plus, it's simple to use. All functions operate through the onboard microprocessor, which communicates directly to your battery. The MP00205A starts with high amperage to get the battery charged up fast, and then slows down automatically to a lower amperage as it reaches capacity. Number 3. Schumacher DSR131 ProSeries. If you need something to work on fleets and a wide range of cars, this Schumacher DSR131, $289, might be your best choice. It's suitable for 6V or 12V batteries and offers many features that budget-friendly choices don't have. There are also options for multi-stage charging and float mode monitoring. It can charge standard, AGM, and deep cycle batteries. The digital display, LED indicators, and push-button controls make operation a breeze. Keep in mind that the DSR131 is a professional-grade car battery charger. Most average users won't want to pay the higher price tag for this beast. Nevertheless, Schumacher Electric is a brand name trusted among professional mechanics and a brand you can depend on. Number 4. Deltran Battery Tender Plus 0210128. Because of the lower current, you have more protection than with many other models. The surprising aspect of the Deltran Battery Tender Plus, $60, charger is its 10-year warranty. This guarantee is far greater than most competitors in the industry and is different from what one would expect, considering the low price. This affordable car battery charger doesn't just come with amazing features, but it also has a reputation for excellence. While most car battery chargers are easy to use, this one is probably the simplest. This model isn't designed for jump starts but is ideal for maintaining car batteries. If you have a car that sits in storage for long periods, the Tender Plus is a favorite option to ensure that your battery will work the next time you turn the ignition on. Number 5. Ampeak Smart Charger. The design of the Ampeak Smart Charger, $90, has fully automatic, high-frequency charging for all types of 12V lead-acid batteries. Additional features include a 2A trickle charge, 8A quick charge, and 15A rapid charge modes that you can manually choose between based on your needs. This unit has a large, easy-to-read LCD screen that keeps track of charging status, charging current, voltage, battery type, and error information. A microprocessor controls the charger with multi-stage charging for added precision, safety, and battery life. We like the 6-step charging program that includes desulfation, soft start, bulk charging, absorption, battery test, and floating. The intelligence built into the Ampeak will optimize battery power without overcharging or damaging it. And as a bonus, this bench charger has a winter charging mode specifically designed to charge your battery in winter conditions. This detail in the smart charger is an excellent option if you have a vehicle that sits for long periods in frigid temps. Number 6. OYMSAE Solar 12V Battery Charger. If you want to use a responsible energy source to maintain your battery in any conditions year-round, this 12V battery trickle charger is the ticket. The OYMSAE Solar Battery Charger, $60, offers a number of safety protections for 12V batteries at a reasonable price. Furthermore, the battery panel surface is made of ETFE, which is highly efficient at solar light reabsorption, further improving the solar energy absorption efficiency. The included suction cup mounts to install the charger directly onto your windshield or dash for convenience. It has a long 8-foot quick connect extension cable for accessing a 12V power port. With the solar battery charger, the built-in protection system will prevent the solar panel from overcharging and reverse charging from the battery. The 12V offers 10W of power, but there are 3 other options, 5W, 20W, and 30W. So there you have it, the only 6 chargers worth your money in 2026. Don't get stuck with a cheap brick. All products links for your buy are in the video description, click before they sell out. If this video saved you a tow truck bill, do me 2 favors, smash that like button and share this with someone who drives an old battery. And subscribe, because next week, we're testing jump starters that can revive a semi-truck. Stay charged. I'll see you in the next one.